Graphic design is the art of combining images, text, and colors to communicate ideas visually. It plays a key role in creating engaging digital content, especially videos. Designers use tools like Adobe After Effects and Canva to produce eye-catching visuals, animations, and thumbnails that attract viewers and increase engagement. A graphic package is a type of software used to create, edit, and manipulate images, designs, and visual content. Popular tools like Adobe Photoshop and CorelDRAW allow users to design logos, posters, social media graphics, and even video thumbnails. These programs are essential for anyone working in digital media, marketing, or content creation. Graphic packages come with powerful features such as image editing tools, layers, filters, color correction, text design, and vector drawing. They also support advanced functions like 3D effects, animation integration, and exporting in multiple formats. These features make graphic packages flexible and efficient for both beginners and professional designers. Graphic packages are widely used in video creation to design intros, transitions, overlays, thumbnails, and social media visuals. These elements make videos more professional and appealing, helping content creators boost click-through rate and audience retention. With the right design techniques, graphic packages transform simple videos into visually powerful and engaging content.